Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu witnessed Utarid Tamimi sitting in the bazaar of selling a silk robe. That man would meet the kings and receive gifts from them. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, I saw Utarid selling a silk robe in the market. I wish you may purchase that robe and don it when the Arab delegate come to see you. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says that he thinks that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, and on Friday Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam thereupon said, only he who has no share in the hereafter wears it in the world. After this event, many silk robes were presented to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam sent one robe to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, one robe to Hazrat Osama bin Zaid, and one robe to Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhum, and said, cut it into dupattas for your wives. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came carrying his robe and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, you have sent me this robe, whereas last day you said about Utarid's robe what you said. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam thereupon said, I have not sent you this robe so that you should yourself wear it. Rather, I have sent it so that you should derive benefit from it. As for Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu, he came wearing the robe. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam looked at him in this way that he perceived that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam felt disgust at it. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, why are you looking at me in this way, whereas you yourself sent me this robe? He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, I did not send it to you for your wearing, rather I sent you this robe so that you should cut it into dupattas for your women. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5370.